This is Riley Snyder and
Lily Ansel,
bringing you No Clue News.
Any girl interested in wrestling grades 6 through 11, open mats for the month of May are May 8th, 15th, and 22nd from 6 to 7:30 p.m.
If you are interested in chess club, there will be a meeting at the Logan Library beginning next Monday night from 6 to 8 p.m. The chess club will continue to meet every Monday night except the first Monday of the month.
This summer, LHSD will be hosting its first ever creative writing camp featuring local writers who will provide feedback throughout the camp. They are only taking the first 25 to sign up, so if this is in your interest, hurry up and sign up.
Cheer tryouts are coming up soon. There are tryout practices from May 14th through the 16th from 3 to 4 p.m. After school with official tryouts on May 17th at 5 p.m. Good luck to anyone trying out.
Bullet-resistant vests for canines are outside the budget for many law enforcement departments. Instead, they rely on nonprofit assistance to acquire the protective gear. Kevlar has taken up the urgent responsibility of bringing the community together and helping fund our four-legged officer canine Zara from the Hocking County Sheriff's Office for a bulletproof Kevlar vest.
At the Smithsonian National Zoo in mid-August, they welcomed a new wallaby. Wallaby Joey spent their first several months in the pouch. He took his first steps in mid-April. He will spend the next 5 months gradually spending more time outside the pouch, just in time for summer.
That's all we have for news this week, Chiefs. It's time for weather with Kaylin.
I'm Kaylin Keels, and here's this week's weather. Last week we had a lot of warm days. Hopefully it stays like that. The record high is 86 set back in 2017, and the record low is 37 set back in 2016. Friday, we are going to have rain showers with a high of 80 and a low of 62. Sunday, we are going to have light rain showers with a high of 76 and a low of 59. Sunday, we're going to have mostly sun with a high of 80 and a low of 61. Monday, we're going to have mostly sun with a high of 82 and a low of 63. Tuesday, we're going to have mostly sun with a high of 83 and a low of 66. That is all for weather this week, Chiefs. Now it is time for Food Good, Cook Bad.
Hello everyone and welcome to Food Good, Cook Bad. In this episode I will be making my world famous slop, composed of these fine ingredients right here. Take a gander. Alright, step 1 is to ignore the band in the background. 2 is to put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the pot, but someone forgot to take the cap off. Let's fix that real quick. Alright, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, in which you should fry 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, along with some spices, but some idiot forgot the garlic, so we're just doing cayenne, coriander, and cumin. Swirl that around and get everything sizzling for a bit, and then put in the rice. Stir it all around to incorporate. Make sure nothing sticks together too bad. Right after that, you want to add your water. 1 2/3 cups to 3/4 cups, depending on how wet you like your slop. Now we crack in 4 eggs to a bowl, which we're going to add salt and hot sauce to. Salt and acid actually break down the proteins in eggs, which makes them a lot looser, more watery, makes them incorporate into things such as sauces much better. Excuse me. Now, check out all this awesome stirring going on. Got some fine stirring action. These are the membranes in the eggs. They take a lot longer to break down. Right. Make sure your slop doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. It'd be a catastrophe if you burned all your slop. Stirring all those eggs. Keep it moving for 1 to 2 minutes. Make sure your eggs are cooked all the way through, but everything will be still quite sloppy once that is done. Now it looks just about right. Plop that slop into your favorite slop bucket. Alright, wait for it. Wait for it. Beautiful. Aren't you proud of yourself? Look at that. Alright, now my favorite thing to add is way too much lemon juice. I just love me some lemon juice. Look at that. Alright, give everything a stir. Incorporate all your favorite condiments if you have any. And then that's about it. Get ready to taste. Check this out. Watch this idiot burn his mouth. Watch this moron. Hi. Look at you go. I'm sure he loves it. Now ain't that just the best thing you ever tasted?
Hey Chiefs, I'm Uriah Holbrook.
And I'm Bianca Sowers.
Here are your sports for this week. On Tuesday, the softball team beat the visiting Groveport Cruisers 8-1 in their first round home playoff win. The Chieftains beat the Cruisers 8-1 with 4 runs in the second inning and 4 in the sixth. Great job, Chiefs. The team finished their season with a loss at Tays Valley. Congratulations on a good season, Chiefs.
On Wednesday, May 8th, the boys tennis team traveled to Hilliard-Bradley High School for the sectional tournament. For the first round of singles, Dominic Blacksley and Owen Gadram were victorious. In the second round of singles, they both were defeated by students from New Albany and Olentangy. In the first round of doubles, Xavier Lawson and Logan Keck won. Sadly, in the second round, they both were defeated by students from Central Crossing. Congratulations, Chiefs, on a good season.
Also on Tuesday, May 7th, Chieftain Stadium hosted a track meet versus the Athens Bulldogs. The girls and the boys teams both placed first. Sydney Hammock ran a 2:25.28 in the 800-meter run and is in the top 10 all-time list for the 800 at number 9. Here are some sights and sounds from senior night.
On Monday, the 13th, the Chieftains hosted the Chillicothe Cavaliers for the baseball playoffs. Logan earlier played Chillicothe and beat them, and did again on Monday. The Chiefs exploded with 7 runs in the 4th inning, including back-to-back doubles. Congratulations on the win, Chiefs.
That's all for sports this week. Now it's time for If You Didn't with Mayla Bell and Rylan Enderly.
This is If You Didn't, presented by Mayla Bell and
Rylan Enderly, and we're interviewing about sports.
What sport do you play?
The sport that I play is tennis.
If you didn't play tennis, what sport would you play?
If I didn't play tennis, I would play basketball.
Why would you play basketball?
I would play basketball because I think it's really fun and I was the point guard.
What sport do you play?
I play baseball.
If you didn't play baseball, what sport would you play?
I would probably play golf.
Why would you play golf?
It's just an interesting game and it's just great.
What sport do you play?
I play pickleball.
If you didn't play pickleball, what sport would you play?
I would play rugby.
Why would you play rugby?
It seems fun.
What sport would you play if you didn't do track?
I would probably either continue with gymnastics or I've always, we don't really have diving around here, but I wanted to try diving, and I love watching it in the Olympics and stuff.
What sport do you play?
I play football.
What would you play if you didn't play football?
If I didn't play football, I'd probably do wrestling.
Why?
My brother did it. I just always thought it'd be fun.
What sport do you play?
I play soccer.
What would you play if you didn't play soccer?
Probably lacrosse,
Why?
because it just seems fun and you can still be aggressive and all that.
What sport do you play?
I play soccer.
If you didn't play soccer, what sport would you play?
I would play probably, if our school had a lacrosse team, I would probably play lacrosse.
Why would you play lacrosse?
Because you get to hit people with sticks and you get to like throw it into the goal and you get to like I don't know, like hit them and it'd be cool and fun.
We have some interesting athletes in this school.
Yes, very interesting.
Well, that's all we have on No Clue News.
See you next year, Chiefs.